is going cold, I wonder why. Get out of bed at all. The morning rain clouds out my window, and I can't see it all. And even if I could, it'd be great. But your picture on my wall, it reminds me that it's not so bad.